Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During the winter months, eating or drinking something hot keeps us warm, cozy, and definitely helps us deal with the cold weather. Besides hot meals and soups, beverages are a good option. For the holidays, I thought it would be a great idea to showcase one of my drink recipes. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my mulled cider. Tasty and delicious, this is a fabulous drink to enjoy this season. In the video, I'm making it in a slow cooker. Just mix up the ingredients and enjoy it later. Pretty easy, right? So my friends, let's get cooking. Here's the spices we'll be using. A couple cinnamon sticks, some old cloves, and 3-star anise. Using a cheesecloth, we'll make a sachet by placing our spices in the middle, gather the corners together, and tie it with some kitchen twine. Now, we'll place our spice sachet in a crock and then pour in some apple cider, followed by dry red wine and orange juice. We'll also add brown sugar, just to give a little sweetness to it. We'll stir the ingredients well before adding our final ingredient, orange slices. We'll close the lid and set the heat on low for 4 hours. A few hours later, my friends, and voila, our mulled cider is ready. Extremely easy to make, this fragrant drink is perfect to sip during the holidays. With its beautiful aroma and subtle spicy flavor, this is a great drink to welcome in the new year. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!